Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara, and if you don't know me, I do videos about luxury fashion and vintage fashion. So if you like this kind of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm sure you don't want to miss what is coming next. So in today's video, I will reveal to you my latest purchase from Balenciaga. Well, since my last catastrophe, dégueulasse, disgusting handbag I got 5 months ago, I decided to give another chance to the brand, and believe me, I am the happiest girl with this purchase. So my new baby is this magnifique handbag. I don't know, I call this wallet on chain, and yeah, the name of it is BB chain, and I love it because of the B. Of course, my name is Barbara, and yeah, I really wanted, a handbag with a B on it, just in case I forget my name. You never know. So I got this, and I am, oh my god, some scratches already. So I am so glad. Let's open together. So here you have the Balenciaga logo. I still have the little sticker. Then let me take out the paper. This is how it is inside. We'll just take out the chain. So you have some spaces for, you have 1, 2, 3, 6 cards slots. Then you have a back pocket. Here I have the bag papers. Then you have the zip where you can put some stuff. And then, yeah, that's it. At the back, no pocket. And you have this kind of aged gold hardware, and you can take it off if you want to use it as a clutch. I cannot fix it now. And I love it. I don't know, I just think this bag is really stunning. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, because I really want to know. I was really hesitating in keeping this because I was like, Balenciaga, the last bag I bought, the quality was so bad, but this one was in pristine condition, and I don't know, I was like, wow, I love this big B on it. I'm sure I don't have any kind of small bag like this. So to be honest, on the weekends this bag is really perfect because I just have my keys, my AirPods, I just put some cards and some cash, and then I'm ready to go. And yeah, it's not very like heavy, and yeah, I love it. It's so shiny, and just let me show you the details. You have this kind of embossed croco leather, and yeah, this bag is stunning. I'm so happy I got this. And yeah, to be honest, when I've worn this twice, and I always have, some looks on me like, wow, who is this bitch? And I'm like, it's me, let me pass. So let me know what you think about it. Oh, do I recommend this bag? Well, yes. For the size, the price, I paid, I don't want to say any kind of betise. It was around between 600 and 700 euros, something like this. And I will put a link here because I saw it in green at Net-a-Porter, and I was like, oh, mamma mia! Green color is stunner. But yeah, I need to hold myself because I cannot have the same bag in different colors, at least not for this one. But yeah, seriously, super, really good, really nice bag. So if you wanna go girl, you will not regret it. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to give me a little like and tell me what you think about it. Yeah, I wanna know. I always wanna know what you think about my purchase. So thank you for watching and gros bisous. I see you in my next video. Bye.